Create a watermark with PowerPoint. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. Insert your image into a blank PowerPoint slide. For this to work without additional steps, the image background needs to be a high contrasting, different color than the image. Resize your slide to match the image size. Click on Design in the upper left, then Slide Size in the upper right, and finally enter the image dimensions into the width and height fields for the slide. The image and slide are now the same size. Click on the image to select it. Picture format appears above. Click on Color up on the left. At the bottom of the drop-down, you'll see Set Transparent Color. Click on that. Now place the cursor on the image background and click it. The background is now transparent. To turn your image into a watermark, you want to fade it first. To do that, click on Transparency and choose between 50 and 65% transparent. To test your watermark, size it the way you want and place it on a colored background to see that the image background is gone and that it's faded. Save the file as a PNG to keep the transparent background. Your watermark is now ready to use in presentations, videos, PDFs, and any other visual publications you want to create. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.